Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best pancake kit is probably one of the most convenient and delightful ways to bring the joy of freshly made pancakes into your home, especially for those busy mornings or when you're craving a comforting treat without the hassle of gathering multiple ingredients. Imagine effortlessly whipping up fluffy, golden brown pancakes that taste just like they came from your favorite breakfast spot, all thanks to a thoughtfully curated box that simplifies the entire process from start to finish. This kit is designed to be user-friendly, ensuring that even novice cooks can achieve perfect results every time, making breakfast a stress-free and enjoyable experience for the whole family. Number 5. SHINESTAR 6-Piece Griddle Breakfast Kit. Elevate your breakfast game with this comprehensive 6-piece griddle set. It includes everything you need for a delicious morning meal. Achieve perfectly uniform pancakes, waffles, and muffins with our precision dispenser. Its measurement display ensures consistent batter dispersal for flawless results. Craft perfectly grilled sandwiches, burgers, and more with this high-quality bacon press. Its heavy-duty cast iron construction guarantees even heating for superior cooking. Make breakfast a breeze with these convenient egg rings. Fry up to 4 eggs at once or create perfect pancakes, saving you valuable time in the morning. The foldable handle design of the egg rings makes storage simple and convenient. They ensure uniform heating, making them an ideal companion for your griddle cooking. To keep your griddle accessories in top condition, we recommend hand washing. Proper care will ensure these tools remain as good as new for years to come. What we like. This is a comprehensive breakfast kit. It includes everything you need for a perfect breakfast, from dispensing batter to pressing bacon and shaping eggs. If you are looking for a hassle-free way to make a full breakfast spread with minimal tools, this is the set for you. What people say. The kit is very easy to use and the pancakes come out perfectly fluffy every time. I love how compact and portable the pancake maker is, making it great for small kitchens or even for taking on the go. The non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze, and the indicator light lets you know exactly when it's ready to cook. Number 4. Bahoki Essentials Pancake Pen. Enjoy making breakfast fun with our easy squeeze batter dispenser. Unleash your creativity and draw fun shapes with your favorite batter. It's a great way to get kids involved in breakfast prep. Filling this dispenser is a breeze thanks to its wide opening at the bottom. No funnel needed, just pour your batter in and it's ready to go. Our specially designed silicone nozzle ensures a drip-free pour every time. Create perfect pancakes and designs without the mess. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade plastic, this dispenser is built to last. You can feel confident using it for years of family fun. Cleaning up is as easy as making breakfast. Simply twist off both caps and place them in the dishwasher for a hassle-free clean. Made too much batter? Store your leftovers safely in this dispenser. Just snap the cap and pop it in the fridge for your next snack. What we like. This batter dispenser is all about creativity and ease. Its unique design allows for mess-free filling and pouring, perfect for drawing fun shapes. If you love making pancake art or want to get your kids involved in breakfast prep with fun designs, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The Pancake Kit is a great addition to any kitchen, allowing you to make delicious pancakes in minutes. It comes with all the necessary ingredients and tools, making it easy for anyone to use, regardless of their cooking experience. The kit includes a non-stick pan, a batter dispenser, and a spatula, ensuring perfect pancakes every time. Number 3. KPKitchen Wide Pancake Spatula Flipper. This oversized spatula is designed specifically for flipping pancakes with ease. Its wide base makes it the perfect tool for any pancake lover. Experience the ease of cooking with its reduced thickness, allowing it to slide effortlessly under delicate foods. This ensures a smooth cooking experience without tearing your food. Made from heat-resistant material, it maintains its shape and strength even in a hot pan, up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. It's also super easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Preserve the integrity of your food with its sharp, non-tearing edge. It slides underneath food without tearing, making it ideal for delicate items. Invest in a kitchen tool that lasts. This high-quality, durable material provides a long-lasting kitchen tool that withstands the test of time. This extra-large turner is perfect for those who love to bake and make pancakes. It's a great gift for any baking enthusiast. What we like. This is a specialized tool for flipping. Its extra large, thin, and sharp edge is designed to slide under delicate items like pancakes without tearing them. If you're tired of broken pancakes and want a tool that makes flipping large items effortless, this spatula is a must-have. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary ingredients for making delicious pancakes, saving you a trip to the grocery store. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, making it simple for anyone to whip up a batch of pancakes, even if they're new to cooking. The pancakes turn out fluffy and golden brown, with a great taste that everyone in the family enjoys. Number 2. Easy to use 12 electric crepe maker. Introducing our 12-inch electric crepe maker, designed for perfect crepes with every use. It's incredibly easy to use, store, and clean, and it even doubles as a pancake griddle. Achieve perfectly cooked crepes, pancakes, and more with precise temperature control. The indicator light lets you know when it's ready, ensuring even cooking every time. Never made crepes before? No problem. This kit includes a recipe book, batter spreader, and wooden spatula to get you started right away. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced cooks. The included batter spreader ensures a thin, even texture, while the wooden spatula makes lifting and flipping a breeze. You'll be making delicious crepes like a pro in no time. This crepe maker is safe and family-friendly, designed to fit perfectly in any kitchen. Enjoy making a variety of delicious foods, from crepes to tortillas. We stand by our product with 24/7 USA customer support and a lifetime replacement guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll make it right. What we like. This electric crepe maker offers a complete solution for various flatbreads. With its large non-stick surface and precise temperature control, it ensures perfect results every time. If you enjoy making crepes, pancakes, rotis, or tortillas and want a dedicated, easy-to-use appliance, this machine is ideal. What people say. The kit includes everything you need to make delicious pancakes. Easy to use and clean, perfect for beginners. Makes fluffy pancakes every time. Number 1. Presto PanGogh Electric Griddle. Introducing the PanGogh Electric Griddle, perfect for creating fun and delicious pancake art. Its ideal size makes it great for small families. With non-stick templates and 4 batter bottles, you can easily design colorful and unique pancake creations. Get ready to impress. This griddle features a cool touch surround that not only keeps you safe but also acts as a frame for your artistic masterpieces. It comes complete with the cool touch griddle, batter bottles with different tip sizes, and a double-sided non-stick template to get you started right away. But that's not all. This versatile griddle is also perfect for cooking eggs, French toast, cottage fries, and even grilled cheese sandwiches. Make breakfast an exciting event with this griddle. It's designed for ease of use and maximum fun for everyone. What we like. This electric griddle is designed for fun and convenience. It comes with everything you need to create pancake art, making breakfast an enjoyable activity. If you have a small family and want to add a creative and fun element to your breakfast routine, this griddle is perfect for you. What people say. The batter dispenser is easy to use and creates perfectly round pancakes. The griddle heats evenly and cooks pancakes quickly. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the non-stick surface. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.